something that had 2 syllables.
Trying to look for the
Oh,
fireworks.
that was lightning. Wow. Are they done?
I don't know.
Should we go back inside?
No.
No, they're still going. We may just have to go to a different area. They may be, them may be done, but there's still,
A whole bunch.
I need to see the video from the fireworks.
Well, I was able to get one good clip. But only one.
Oh. I need to go check when the fireworks come.
Okay, I think they're done.
No, not yet. I can hear it.
Let's go over here.
Okay, sure. Let's see.
Let's go back into the front.
Huh?
Let's go back to the front.
Okay.
Before we can hear it.
I don't see any.
Ooh,
Lightning.
That was lightning.
that was ridiculous.
Oh, something touched me. Oh!
Oh, I can see one.
You get it, Maury?
Oh, there's another one.
Ooh. That's cool.
Yeah. Looking good.
Are these illegal fireworks?
Probably not.
Wait, where'd it go?
There's another one. Amazing.
Oh, that one we couldn't see. Because it went underneath the house.
They say a film in landscape. It's a lot better.
It is?
Rotate it. Rotate your phone.
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
Let's give it. It's just easier to watch. Oh, no, that was like a good one.
I didn't see that.
Way better view. Is it on the spot? No.
I think that might be it for this side.
We do have to re-up, don't forget. That may be on the pad, but whoa, something just touched my wrist.
I like these fireworks.
I guess not. Okay, I think there's. Ooh!
Oh my god.
Lightning.
Let's go.
No, wait,
Uh,
wait. I think they're done on this side. Actually, now I think they're done.
They are?
Sounds like they're coming over there, but we can't really go over there.
Okay.
You see any? No.